Today we're going to be discussing how to quickly customize the style, look and feel of your page by editing just your header, footer, and the body blocks on your website. And actually you can make multiple header and footer styles that you can quickly swap in and out as you would like, and we'll be discussing how you can do that in today's video. So header blocks are located at the top of your page. Simply hover your mouse over the block, and if it's outlined in green, this will mean it's a header. Body blocks make up the main content of your page and are outlined and highlighted by the purple color when you hover your mouse over this block. And as you can see, you can add multiple body blocks to make up the content of your page. And then near the bottom of your web page, the footer block is highlighted in red when you hover your mouse over this block. Just click the header or footer name for more options. As you can see here, we can swap to a different footer or disable it altogether. And this is the same for the header. If you click the name, we can swap, create a new header, or just simply disable that one as well. So now on more specifics to customize your header, just select the name to access the settings menu as we mentioned before. We just click that green square there. To make a new header, we're just going to select create a new header and then hit the apply button. As you can see, that's now been created, and we have a little empty content location where we can drag in new elements to create our own blocks, or in our case, just for demonstration purposes, and we welcome you to try them as well. We have some pre-made header blocks that you can drag in and customize to your liking. As you can see, they're just under the blocks menu there, and we're just going to drag this one in, for example. So we're just going to go through and customize this header. This is a great way to easily customize the look and feel of your website. In this example, we're just going to quickly update it to a holiday banner. You could do this for visitors, events, sales, etc. When you're ready to swap back to your original header or a different style, just simply select it from the menu there and apply. And as you can see, we are back to the original header. Or go back to header B, and you can see that is still saved under this other header name. Or you can disable it altogether. Just select disable this header on this page. And lastly, we're just going to go over how to customize a footer. It is just the same as the header. You just select create a new header, and you can go to your blocks menu and select a pre-made footer if you would like. Here we're just going to go through a quick example showing that you can quickly update to holiday hours, for example. And here we're just going to add a location in our map to a fictional location, and we can quickly create our holiday footer. And when we're ready to swap back, we can just simply use the menu to select footer A to return to our original footer. And of course, headers and footers are not the only place that you can customize your website. You're welcome to customize the content of your page by editing the body blocks. Here we're just going to enter the body blocks toolbar to see some of the local styles that we can apply to this body block. So from here, we can edit the background, the padding. You can add a border. Here we'll just add a little dotted border, and we'll change the color of the font in the background. You can also access global styles. So if you want to change something for your entire website, go to the design location of the main toolbar. And here we're just going to select the background to change the background for the entire website. We can just pick a color from the color selector and save that. And we'll just quickly run through other things you can change. As you can see, you can update your fonts, your titles. You can also change the global button styles. Here we have 8 different styles, and we're just going to edit the one that is on the page right now, which is button number 5. There are other things you can do from the blocks toolbar. You can move that block up and down the page. You can toggle the width. You can duplicate it to your page or another page. You can toggle the device views, and of course you can also remove it. So with a few edits, you can have a totally new look and feel to your website. We hope this guide helps you get started in editing your SiteBlocks site. If you have any further questions, please reach out to support or visit SiteBlocksWiki.com for further articles on how to edit your website and anything else.